Have you ever looked at a beautiful room and felt that something was still not quite right? Often the problem isn't the furniture, it's how everything is scaled, positioned, and connected. Here are 10 small design adjustments that can make a big difference. Hang curtains closer to the ceiling and extend them beyond the window. This makes the opening and the entire room feel larger. Choose a rug large enough to anchor the seating rather than leaving it floating in the center. Position the television close to seated eye level for a more comfortable and balanced view. Instead of relying on one powerful cold light, combine a simple warm ceiling light with softer wall or table lighting. Artwork should relate to the furniture beneath it. Adjusting its scale and height can transform the whole wall. Your coffee table also needs enough size and visual weight to balance the surrounding sofas. A smaller supporting table can add function and depth. In a spacious room, don't push every piece against the walls. Bring the seating inward to create a comfortable conversation area and leave circulation behind it. Avoid buying every piece from one matching collection. Coordinate different shapes, textures, and materials for a more collected interior. And in the bedroom, choose a rug that extends comfortably around the bed, not one that decorates only the foot. When styling accessories, use fewer, stronger pieces and leave space for the eye to rest. Good design doesn't always require replacing everything. Sometimes a few thoughtful adjustments are enough to completely change how a room feels. Follow the interior edit for more practical design guidance.